Hello, y'all. It is Steve with SBL Games, Game Console Repair. Today we have a PS5 HDMI port replacement. However, as we normally do, unless it's not dirty, we're going to address the dirt and dust problem. So this is the mini heatsink, pretty dirty. And then this is the main heatsink, so that'll be lots of fun as well. We'll take care of both of those for you. It's definitely not the worst I've seen, but it is kind of bad. We'll get that cleaned out. Can't forget to clean out the chassis or the power supply. I got both those covered. So this is something we've been let me gather my tongue. This is something we've been encountering a lot lately. The liquid metal getting dispersed. It leads to issues down the line where it will just randomly shut off. It's because it has metal on metal, so we'll take care of that for you as well. No additional costs. Alright, got all those on. Running out of my first tube of Kingbo. I'm overall pretty happy, especially for the price, but my only real complaint about it is the frickin' smoke, dude. The amount of smoke that comes pouring out of that frickin'... It was just too much. I just can't get that freaking PS5 out of my mind. So much damage, dude. Freaking drilled it. I never thought I would come across it a second time. Someone putting drill holes in a PS5, but I was wrong. Someone did it again. It's my other video I just uploaded a little while ago. If you guys want to check it out. Complete Hiroshima. And then I was trying to explain to the client how I've been through it before, and I was able to get a new port on and everything and get it to work overall, but after about 15-20 minutes of it running, it goes to utilize the parts of the board that have been drilled out, and then it starts glitching out. And he's still like wanting me to try to move forward. I'm like, dude, I know it's silly because I'm literally taking money out of my own pocket, but I'm just telling you, I've done this rodeo before, and it's not worth it, man. And told him just to think about it, because he's not taking my strong recommendations. If I took a car to a mechanic and the mechanic's like, look, man, I've done the same exact thing before and it didn't work out, it's not worth it, I would probably not do it, because he's trying to tell me, like, dude, it's not worth it. I mean, I'm sure the mechanic has bills to pay and things, and, you know, wants to be able to support his family and all that good stuff, but at the same time, you know, there's there's at least supposed to be morality with this stuff, you know? Or at least when you choose SBL games, there's morality involved. And if the repair is honestly not worth pursuing, rather than taking your money, we will be like, hey, I know this sounds really weird because we're taking money out of our own pocket, but the truth of the fact is that this isn't worth doing. You could buy a replacement for such and such, or you could pay a such and such to fix this, you know? But at the end of the day, it's always up to the client. It's their pocketbook. How much do they want to spend, or how much do they want to save, or what makes the most sense to them. I had a feeling I was going to do that. And I'll probably have to finish it from the other side, which is fine. Yeah, it's going to be a butthole. No torn pads, yay! There we go. One. There we go. There we go. Alright. Just gotta get the port prepped and put on. right. There we go. So that is the final outcome on the post. Never seem to do it justice, but those are the pins. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, comment, and if you like what you see, subscribe. Another satisfied SBL Games client, Steve at SBL Games, signing out.